Hi there, I'm G, and thanks for stopping by Cozymeal Studios. Make sure you grab a plate because today we're sharing an irresistible recipe that will satisfy your cravings like never before. Are you ready for some juicy, flavorful roast beef sliders? We've got you covered. This recipe is going to knock your socks off with its mouth-watering goodness. Whether you're hosting a party or you just want a delicious sandwich for lunch, you won't be disappointed. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell for more recipes from us. So let's get started by adding olive oil, unsalted butter, finely sliced onions, salt and pepper to a pan over medium-high heat. So that way we can caramelize the onions. Now, caramelizing onions can take a while, so you might need to be a little patient while these cook down. So after about 20 minutes or until the onions are caramelized and brown, you can then remove them from the heat. Next, we are going to prepare the poppy seed topping. In a small microwave-safe measuring cup, add the butter and minced garlic. Microwave in 15-second increments until the butter melts. Stir in the poppy seeds and then set aside. In a bowl, add whole grain mustard, mayonnaise, Worcestershire sauce, honey, garlic powder, and onion powder. Whisk together until emulsified. Now it's time to assemble the roast beef sliders. But don't forget to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a 9x13 baking dish, place the bottom half of the rolls and spread the mayonnaise mixture on top. Top each roll with slices of white cheddar cheese, then add the roast beef, and then the caramelized onions. And then finish each roll off with another slice of white cheddar cheese. Cover with the top half of the rolls and brush them with the poppy seed topping. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake the rolls for 10 minutes. And that's it. Serve warm and enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. If you want the full recipe, check out the description box below or head to cozymeal.com/recipes where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for more Cozymeal recipes, be sure to check out our other videos. See you again soon.